Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. Today we are going drone flying, but first we need to take care of something else. See you soon. Okay, now that we have a clean car, it's time to hit the road, meet up with Dimi at the RC Flying Club, and yeah, we are gonna have some fun with the DJI Mavic Mini. See you there! Yo, hello everybody.
You.
My buddy Dimi.
Hi.
Hi. As you probably remember, in one of the first videos I made of the unboxing DJI Mini, I will link something above here. I promised to do a first flight with my buddy Dimi,
Yes,
who is
of
a
course.
drone pilot. Eh? I can
Yeah.
say you are a drone pilot,
Yes.
yes. So he's gonna teach me some tips and tricks to fly the DJI Mini here at Ruddervoorde. It's the Ruddervoorde RC
Lechtervelde.
Lichtervelde RC Aero Club, as you can call it. And yeah, Dimi gonna show me the tips and tricks, and hopefully you enjoy the footage. See you in the air.
See you.
Three, two, one.
Don't cut my hair, eh?
I try.
So Dimi did some tips and tricks for me on my DJI Mini Pro, and he showed me all the functions of the display and what the DJI Mini can do. And now I think it's my turn to play with the drone, so stay tuned for my footage.
So this is how we end up, shades of blue and gray. I feel just like an empty bottle, my dreams are on delay. I just wanna climb on top of a hill and throw it all away, away. Take me far away before my mind spins off and I am all derailed, derailed. Just drive all the way to the rainbow's end. Just drive, and we'll never turn our backs again. So this is how we end up. The game is set to play. Every day remains the same.
So guys, that was it. It is freaking cold outside, but I'm back in the car. I had a very nice time flying the drone, the DJI Mini Maverick. Dimi did a great job with providing me with nice tips and tricks. So I hope you enjoyed the footage from our small drone event, let's say. And if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.